Good afternoon, everybody. I wanted to pop back on here, give you a little video, and ask for your help. I am doing a little work to the 3D printer project. I have decided for now I'm going to go ahead and go with a Bowden setup. I don't know if you can see it there. Probably not. I'm going to go ahead and go with a Bowden setup for now just to get the thing running and move along. And then I'm going to eventually change it over to a direct drive extruder. That's my goal. So I have mounted the extruder up here, got that all put together, and that went okay. Now I'm getting ready for the hot end, and I thought I would show you what I have. I bought a package that has like 3 different options, so I wanted to get your advice. I'll show you what I've got here, and maybe you guys can leave me some comments or something and tell me what you think, which way I should go. Maybe help me out of some problems before I even get into the problem. So let me switch over here to, there we go. And let me show you what I've got. I ended up buying, it's a high quality factory V6 hot end clone is what it is, from China. It's a Winsin brand. So I got it from Amazon. It wasn't very expensive at all. It looks pretty standard from all the videos that I have looked at. It comes with my heat sink here. It comes with the heat break. It's got 2 of them. I don't think it came with any instructions at all. No instructions. No documentation. And I'm sure you guys have done this long enough that you know what I'm dealing with. It says titanium alloy TC4. Not sure if they're the same or not. They look like they're different colors. One looks darker than the other. Oh, okay, I see. So there is a titanium, and I guess this is just maybe aluminum or something. So going by that, my reaction would be go with the titanium, because titanium is like a super metal. I don't know. And this Bowden tube connector, I imagine, goes right there. So then it leaves me with I have 2 short nozzles and 2 long nozzles. Let's see if I can get these open. My big old fat fingers. Come on, there we go. Okay, so I got 4 nozzles. That's a 0.4 in brass. That's a 0.4. I don't know if it's steel or aluminum. And then I have the long ones. 0.4 in brass long. And 0.4 in whatever that metal is long. Let me see, yeah. Let me take a magnet here. Doesn't seem to be magnetic. It doesn't have a lot of carbon in it. It might be stainless steel, I don't know. Yeah, anyway. So that's my choices for the heat break, my choices for the nozzle. And then I got 3 choices for the heater block. That one's brass. Appears to be brass. This one, let's see here. This one is aluminum. It's got a slit in it for clamping. The brass one does not have a slit for clamping. And then this aluminum is turned the opposite direction. I would imagine this one is for the long nozzles, and these 2 would be for the short nozzles. So that's what I've got there. And then in here I've got my heater cartridge. Got a heater cartridge and a thermistor. All twisted together. So must be easy with that, but trying to make some progress. And I don't know, I guess I'm jumping the gun. I really don't have to work on this portion right now, but I don't know. I just want to make some progress. I'm itching to get this thing up and running. So anyway, that's what I've got. I've got my thermistor. And I've got my heater cartridge. Now I don't know for sure. I guess I'll have to go watch some videos. If you guys don't comment and give me some advice, I'll have to go find some other videos. Oh, looks like maybe there's a set screw. I see. I was going to say there's no way to clamp that. But it looks like there's a set screw goes in there. So anyway, that's where I'm at. That's what I'm working on today. And I certainly would appreciate it if you guys can offer some advice. So there's also a fan and a fan shroud. So that part's easy enough to figure out. No big deal. But here I've got some options, and I'm just looking for your advice here. So if you got time, help me out. Put some comments down below and tell me what you guys are thinking. Which heat break, which nozzle, which heater block. Anything you can think of that a newbie like me is going to need to know for this portion of the build, I certainly would appreciate it. So that's all I've got for now. Hope to hear from you soon. Thanks for checking in. See ya.